Chapter 11. Rocks and Minerals. New to know. Types of rocks. Minerals. Our earth is made up of rocks and minerals. Rocks are made up of substances called minerals. Each rock is a mixture of one or more minerals. Rock, solid and usually materials of which the earth is made of. Minerals, materials of which rocks are made of. Types of rocks. There are 3 types of rocks. 1. Igneous rocks. 2. Sedimentary rocks. 3. Metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are formed from hot molten material called magma found deep inside the earth. The intense pressure inside the earth pushes the magma towards the surface of the earth. As the magma moves towards the earth's surface, it begins to cool and hardens to form solid igneous rocks. The magma that comes out and flows onto the surface of the earth is called lava. There are many types of igneous rocks. Granite. When magma cools down beneath the earth's surface, it forms granite. Usually it is grey, white, black or pink in color. It contains minerals like quartz, mica and feldspar. It is extensively used as a building material for making kitchen slabs, floors, etc. Add-ons. The white paper in your notebook is made from white china clay. China clay is obtained from granite, which is a rock. Pumice. When lava cools quickly on the earth's surface, it forms pumice. It is porous or full of holes. It is the only rock that can float. It is used as a body scrubber and also to polish furniture and floors. Wonder box. Calcium carbide, CaC2, a stone-shaped chemical which is used as a fuel for gas welding purposes. It makes acetylene torch to glow. Basalt. It is a fine-grained and glassy igneous rock. It is formed when lava flows from volcanoes or from cracks in the earth's surface and then hardens. The edges of this rock are very sharp. It is used in making jewelry and ornaments. Sedimentary rocks. The rocks on the earth's surface are constantly broken up into smaller pieces by wind, water and temperature changes. These small pieces of rocks turn into pebbles, gravel, sand and clay. They are called sediments. These sediments are carried away with rivers and streams to different places where they pile up to form layers. Layer upon layer of sediments build up. The layers on the top squeeze the bottom layers. Continuous pressure upon the bottom layers turns into rocks. This is how sedimentary rocks are formed. There are many types of sedimentary rocks. Sandstone. It is formed when small particles of sand get compressed and cemented together. This rock is used to construct buildings. Red Fort in Delhi and many places in Rajasthan are made from sandstone. Add-ons. Do you know traces of animal and plant life can be found in sedimentary rocks? These are called fossils. We know about dinosaurs only from fossils. Shale. It is formed from the layers of clay that have hardened. It exists in various colors like black, red and green. It is used in making bricks and cement. Sedimentary rocks formed from continuous deposition of small particles or sediments exposed to continuous pressure. Limestone. It is formed from the shells and the skeleton of tiny sea creature. It is mainly used for construction and in medicines and cosmetics. The most common example of limestone is chalk. Conglomerate. These are pieces of small rocks cemented together with sand and minerals. It is used in construction and also polished to make ornaments. Metamorphic rocks. These rocks are formed from igneous or sedimentary rocks. When these 2 types of rocks are subjected to intense heat and pressure inside the earth, the mineral contents of these rocks change. There are many types of metamorphic rocks. Marble. It is formed from limestone. It is used for making statues and flooring of houses. It is found in white, black, grey or pink color. Slate. It is formed from shale. It can split into layers. It is used in making bricks and cement. Quartzite. It is formed from sandstone. It is very hard rock and is weather resistant. It is used for construction, flooring, ornaments and in glass industry. Gneiss. It is formed from the granite. It has different kinds of minerals in it, giving it a striped or streaked look. It is also used in buildings. Minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring chemical substances. They may be simple or very complex ones. Some are common while some are rare. Minerals can be of two types, metallic and non-metallic. Metallic minerals. The minerals from which useful metals can be extracted are called metallic minerals. Aluminium, copper, gold and silver are some examples of metallic minerals. They are used to make jewelry, electrical appliances, etc. Non-metallic minerals. The mineral resources which do not contain metals are called non-metallic minerals. Coal, petroleum and oil are some examples of non-metallic minerals. They can be used as fuel and in construction purposes. Coal is formed from the remains of dead plants that grew in swampy forests millions of years ago. When they died, they got buried in the swamps. Layers of mud, sand and more dead plants deposited on them. As more and more layers deposited, the heat and pressure in the layers below gradually changed them to form coal. Petroleum is also a fossil fuel. Many years ago, aquatic plants and animals died and got settled on the ocean floor. With the passage of time, sand, small stone and other sediments covered them. With time, excessive heat and pressure turned them into petroleum. To pump petroleum out, oil wells are drilled along the seashores. It is made pure in refineries. Coal and petroleum are our most important fuels. Coal is used for cooking and to heat houses. It is used in factories and in steam engines. Petroleum is used as fuel to run vehicles. It is also used for dry cleaning, in medical purposes, cosmetic industry, and many other places. Metamorphic rocks. These rocks are formed from igneous or sedimentary rocks. Metallic minerals. The minerals from which useful metals can be extracted. Non-metallic minerals are the mineral resources which do not contain metals. Final learnings. Our earth is made up of rocks and minerals. Rocks are made up of substances called minerals. There are three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Minerals are naturally occurring chemical substances. Minerals can be of two types, metallic and non-metallic minerals.